Brazil be more ambitious, be more aggressive?
Because
Well, it's
Bolsonaro's a
partly to do with
Nazi.
politics.
Same with
Bolsonaro is
Modi.
a far-right populist. He's repeatedly said
Same
Brazil
with
isn't going to be
Trump.
told by
Same with
outsiders
Putin.
how to manage its rainforest. And that view's
It
shared
just so
by
happens
many
that
in his
all the
support
Nazis are
base,
propping up
some
the
of them cattle
oil
farmers whose
cartels.
activities are a big part of the problem. So Bolsonaro has weakened government environmental enforcement agencies since coming into power. Last month, deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon hit the highest monthly level in a decade. An area the size of this city where I am now, Rio, was lost. However, Bolsonaro is under a lot of pressure over this, especially from big business
And aren't they
interests,
going to arrest him
worried
for
that this
being Trump in the
damages
tropics?
exports, and they're pushing for a change. So Brazil's
Spreading the Trump
public
virus?
message in Glasgow will
Killing
likely be one of
600,000,
cooperation.
second only to
Okay, so
Trump
there's
killing
this divide between
720,000 in
the kind
America?
of PR push and the actual policies. And recently there was a document